Hey traders, a quick one here on nat gas, gold, silver and crude oil. Starting with natural gas. So what do we have right here? So as you can see, the price has respected the zone, and if you remember my last video, I've said that this candle closed as a bullish engulfer, which has happened right here. We have a good chance that price will keep on pushing up and break above this high and possibly hit the zone above in red. But that doesn't mean you start buying straight away. Push up in a trend. If you look at a good formation of bullish engulfer happening above 50 EMA in the long term, I'm expecting a price to push up, break above this previous high and hit the zone above, which I've mentioned. 2.885 goes up to 3.005. It's a zone from where I will look for my sell opportunities. For now, price has broken above the zone, which is right here. I'll start to look for my buy trades from now. I still want to see a good green candle, one more green candle, and then a pullback followed by a bullish engulfer. So that is how I want to enter my buy trades. We clearly got a good bullish engulfer. If you are a long-term trader, that is also a valid entry I teach my students. A good example of a pullback entry. Price made a new high. We had a pullback right here and prices has pushed up from here. So I'm expecting a push up further. For now, just wait for one more green candle, pullback followed by bullish engulfer. I'm still not using my Fibonacci tool, so make sure conditions are really important. Price has just broke above. That doesn't mean you start buying. We can still get another candle as a red candle closed below back in the zone and price can still fall. So that is why I want to see a good momentum, then a pullback followed by a bullish engulfer. Now here on capital.com, as you can see, the price is still in the support, still in the resistance area. That is why I say I need a good momentum, broke above this zone, one more candle, and then I'll look for the pullback followed by a bullish engulfer and keep on going long. If you have a next candle closed as a bearish engulfer that happened in this area, in that case we are still bearish, we are still not bullish, we're still not going to buy net gas. So wait for the condition, wait for the next candle closed above and wait for the good pullback followed by bullish engulfer and keep on taking long until the price hit the zone above, which I've mentioned in my yesterday's video. The next one we have gold. Gold has now broken above this anchor I've been mentioning from last couple of weeks, and now as you can see we had a break above. All I want to see a good pullback followed by a bullish engulfer and keep on taking long until the price hit the zone above, which is 1955.11. that goes up to 1977.04, from where I will enter another sell trade. For now, I'm just looking for buy trades. As you can see, price just made a new high. All I want to see pullback above 50 EMA with bullish engulfer, and we will only go long with conditions. Right here, silver has also made a new high. If we have a reason to enter with bullish engulfer, we have good to go long. If this candle closes as a bullish engulfer, we have a good buy signal. So wait for that. If we have a signal, we enter long. I'm not looking for sell opportunities anymore. Looking at the fact that price has just made a new high. Right here, crude oil has now broken above the level of minor resistance. We had a pullback as mentioned, and then price has pushed up. We have this bullish engulfer as well, but I did not enter this trade. I will only enter my sell trade once the price hit the zone above, which is right here. 76.64 goes up to 78.93, a zone from where we will enter sell trade with bearish engulfers or double top entry confirmation. So keep an eye here. Once we have a condition, we are good to go long or short. Conditions are really important in your trading, otherwise you are just gambling. So that is it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can always DM me on Instagram. I'll get back to ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.